First, I want to support the homeless people in my city where they suffer from hunger. Whoever has extra food or old clothes should share them with those in need to make their life much better. Second, life on the street is very difficult and dangerous for many children. Wherever they go, they face risk. So we must provide a safe plans for them to stay and learn. Finally, we all depend on our community for support. We provide a helping hand and helping to author and create a kinder world. However, this small action truly make a big difference for our future.